Hi everyone, my name is Craig Mellon. I teach sixth grade history in Clearwater, Kansas. I also get to teach some technology elective type stuff a little bit throughout the year. My district is pretty fortunate to have supportive district leadership and a good technology staff, so we have a lot of different technology available to us. We're one-to-one Chromebooks right now, fourth grade through 12th grade. This is our second year with the Chromebooks. Before that, we had iPads for probably 5 years. I really enjoy using the Chromebooks and having those in the hands of the students. I enjoyed the iPads as well, but they're definitely different tools. I really enjoy using the Google Suite for Education. I use Google Classroom very frequently. My students are on Google Docs and Slides or creating Google Slides pretty frequently as well. One thing that I find takes a little bit of training is getting them to check their email frequently, check their calendar for assignments, but I think those are important skills to learn. My strength in technology, I feel pretty comfortable using new technology. It's a passion of mine, so it's something I really try to do a lot of and enjoy doing. As far as my weaknesses go, sometimes I get a little excited and gung-ho, so I jump into stuff when maybe I don't have the infrastructure set up, and maybe other teachers or my coworkers aren't quite as ready to jump ahead as I am. So there's times when I should probably slow down a little bit, but sometimes my passion, excitement takes over a little bit. Like I said, I'm pretty familiar with the Google Suite. There's still things I don't know. I'm a level 1 Google certified educator, and so I like to use Google a lot, but there's definitely things that I still can learn and definitely get better at. So it's nice to meet you. I'm excited for this class and to find new ways to make technology more effective in my classroom and in my school. Thanks. Bye.